Hey friends, we are going to draw a little duck and I'm super excited to draw it with you, but it is going to be a little complicated. So make sure you start with a pencil, okay? I'm gonna start first with the head shape, but it's gonna start one way and then I'm gonna add lines to it. So make sure you are pressing a very, very lightly. So first, let's start with a big oval for an eye, okay? And it's gonna be kind of slanted down because our little duck is gonna be looking at something special. Hopefully, we'll see. And of course you need your pupil. So another oval in there. You can color it in now, you can color it in later, you can give it a little sketch, totally up to you. Next, we need to make two curved lines, one for the bottom and one for the top, okay? So this one at the bottom, it's not touching the edge of your oval, it's kind of inward, okay? And you're gonna make a curved line there. Now what we wanna do is make another curved line down. And this time we are gonna go to the edge, okay? So we're gonna go like this. Awesome, looks a little wonky right now. That's fine, it should, okay? Now let's add some little hair pieces. Whoosh. Out. Back, okay? This is where your Sharpie comes in, and this will look much better. I'll show you, ready? Make that oval a little smaller, maybe a little curvier. You add your line here, that looks better, right? And now since you know what's coming, you can refine those lines. Like that one there, I wanted that to go up. And this here is gonna go out, back, and then here is gonna go in right there, because that's gonna be where the neck is. But of course, before we begin the neck, I want to make a beak. That's gonna start here, diagonal out, and you're gonna bring that right back in. Now, if he looks a little angry to you, open up the eye a little bit. You can do that, or add a little reflection piece. Kind of makes anything look a little nicer, right? Now, you can get rid of those pencil lines. Now you can do this as you work, or you can pencil the whole thing and then Sharpie it, edit as you go. Now here, the first line we need to make is just diagonal down, not too far, okay? This line gets confusing. This is a little wing we're gonna make, and it's gonna go down. I'm gonna show you this in pencil first. I think that's a better idea. It's gonna kind of curve down, round the corner, and go up. Then you're gonna make a little wing there. This is his wing, so it's kind of like an L shape that's really long. Can you see that? Almost like an incomplete triangle with really, really rounded corners. And then to complete the back over here, all you have to do is you're gonna curve up, in, up, over, up a little, down to meet the neck. And of course, you can edit that. So let's do this. Gentle curves, right? Fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy for the inside. Now here, I think maybe I needed to go back a little, then go up, then down. And of course, complete the shape. Now we just need to add a little feet, and this duck will come alive. So back here, I'm gonna add this one first. Out, down, 1, 2, and up. There you go. And this one, only the little tip of the feet show, so you're just gonna go 1, 2, and back, and that will look like your little feet. He's bending over. That's why this shape looked a little weird, right? Now, who wants to try to draw that backwards? What you're gonna do, this is the fun part, right? You're gonna match where the eye is. Okay. Oval, remember you can always correct this as you go. Right, so it's a little like off now, but it doesn't really matter. if you want to make it really try to match it, you can, but like, what do I always say? Don't let perfect be the enemy of good enough, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. So we're just gonna say, stop it. Stop it, Coach T. That's your eye. You get what you get. You don't get upset. Aha. Kind of like they're looking at each other, right? Okay. Color that in later. Next, we need, this one doesn't start at the tip. It starts down here. Okay. Curve in. Curve up. Kind of like follow the same pattern. See how it's always weird the first time I do it? And that's what that's gonna look like. Curve out. Out. There's something under here. Yep. All right, so now I clearly need to edit. Like that eye is way too big, so I'm gonna go here. In a little. Where's that reflection? It's over there, so we're gonna do it here. Now this one doesn't have to be as perfect though, because this is actually going to be the reflection in a pond. Oh, how cute. Now, I can see the differences much better now, so I can like look at that one and be like, okay, whoosh, whoosh. Alrighty, it's gonna be up here, pause. That one's supposed to be out, then in. This one is supposed to be curved out there, down there, right? And then this shouldn't be so pointy. There you go. Out and curve in. Now they do look a little different, but that's fine. You could have that one be a friend, or, I mean, look how huge that is. It's probably a friend. But what you could also do, draw a pond. And look, a reflection. Ah, but looks super wonky with all those lines in there. So let's get in there and erase. Aww. Just meeting a little friend. Now, of course, your ducky can have a whole background of stuff. Maybe he has a farm over there that they've had a pig pen, and that's where the piggies live. Maybe over here there's a little rooster. How can I do this rooster? Feet first, body that big, neck, head up here. All right, ready? Whoosh. Should we have a cow over here? Let's do it. How about a sheep? Super cute. Sharpie it, and you can color in as you please. Hey friends, so I'm back and I have Sharpied my drawing. I have also added a few more details in the background, like this path here. Now let's say you weren't happy with your reflection, you tried it, you did your best, and you're still just like, I don't love it. You don't have to start over. If you have another piece of white paper, you can totally just color it blue, or if you have blue construction paper, cut out a piece that basically matches where you went over it and glue it right on. So you don't have to just let go. And now this duck is just curious about, well, what's beyond the water, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and color this in. I may or may not leave this, but I wanted to give you the choice of, editing your work as you go and deciding, why not add a little bit of collage to this? Because why not? You are the artist after all. I'll see you when it's all colored in. Hey friends, I'm back and I wanted to show you my finished piece. I decided to actually keep my duck my reflection once I kept it in there because I thought, it's pretty fine. And then as you see, I added a few more details to the back, and that is my finished product.